Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.